out. I'll make some money.
Time to eat.
So I don't have to go to school anymore. Things just really aren't that bad. I got a nice mom, but I got a cool dad. I just stay in my room too long, but I finally got a girlfriend and she's the bomb.
Oh my gosh, guys, I'm free. Finally, I've arrived at the hotel. Oh my god, I needed a break. Well, now that I have this hotel room all for me, I could invite my friends, my city friends. Oh my gosh. It's super nice chilling with all of you guys, especially in this beautiful hotel. I feel like I'm free from my home. I mean, I wasn't stuck or anything. This just feels new.
Yeah, I know the feeling of going into a big hotel. It feels nice. It feels new. It feels nice. I get you, bro. Oh my gosh, do you guys remember when we went to your hotel? I was really
Oh my gosh, I'm so happy to have you guys with me.
Guys, I think we should give a little bit of space to Bubbles. He's been traveling for hours. He's really tired. Oh my gosh.
Oh, since when are you so fat? Oh my god.
Are they? The
Lovebirds? No, I don't think so. You're just best friends. That's a weird question.
Wait, since when pigs are there? Wait, what? Oh my god. Ow. That's literally what I keep saying. I keep saying there's pigs. There's two pigs. You guys did not listen to me. You guys kept talking with your annoying voices and high-pitched voices. It was so annoying. Okay, guys, Bubbles is tired. We're tired. He needs to have a good trip here. We need to get the pigs out of here. And I don't know how they managed to get here. It's really annoying. They never leave us alone. It's tiring. I'm so tired. Guys, let's calm down and get them out of here.
Okay, guys, can you just please get out of here? My friend's had a long trip. He needs sleep. His best friend also needs sleep. Like, guys, let's. Okay, maybe one day we'll give you eggs. Just not right now. Please, just get out, please. Me.
We don't really care about your opinion or point of views. We just want to annoy birds and get their eggs, of course.
Yeah, pig stuff, yeah. But the Bubbles doesn't have eggs, and he cannot produce them, so you guys can just get out, cause you won't find eggs here, cause we can't make any. We are not female birds. Yup, and even if I could make eggs, I would never give them to you guys. I mean, he's kinda right. They don't have eggs. They can't make eggs.
Maybe they're lying. I'm sure they can make eggs. They're lying to us. They just want us to leave.
Yeah, probably. You're right. Come on.
Hey, weren't you supposed to get eggs? There's no eggs in the pool, and the pool looks super cold, and I don't want to go there.
Too bad.
This stuff always happens to me. I'm so tired. I'm gonna take my revenge.
Oh my gosh, I don't even know how to swim. Actually, this kind of feels nice. I love this swimming pool. Thank you for throwing me in, buddy.
Finally, I'm back home in my beautiful bed. Whoa! Wait, you guys are here? You're here too? I saw you at the hotel. Huh.
Oh, well, we didn't bother you much at the hotel, didn't we? Well, now we're here to bother you in your house.
Exactly. We didn't bother you at the hotel, but now we're gonna bother you here.
Huh? Pigs will never leave me and my friends alone. Huh? Should I go back to the hotel?